Hey, what's going on, guys? Douglas here. I can give you this 10,000, or I can show you how to make this every single month. And after doing what I'm about to show you for the last 5 years, I really realized that it came down to just a couple things. If you're going to start a business or have a profitable business online, it really needs to consist of 3 main things. And actually, I want to come right over here to my whiteboard and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so after being in the online space, like I said, for 5 years now, it really came to 3 main things that if I was going to get into a business, it had to have these 3 things, okay? The very first thing would have to be that the business is real, okay? It's fake, it's not a scam, okay? You want to actually provide a valuable service to real people that want to pay you real money for what you do, right? The second thing is monthly. You want to get paid monthly, okay? Now, subscription models work the best. If you're working with a business and providing them a service, for them to pay you month in, month out, that is more ideal, okay? So you want a business that is going to pay you month in, month out, every month for as long as they're in business, okay? And the third thing is value, okay? You want to deliver a service that's incredibly valuable, that it's in high demand, that there's always going to be a market for, that people are always going to want to be paying for because they don't know how to do it themselves. So these are the 3 things that it really came down for me, okay? The business had to be real, I had to get paid monthly, and I wanted to do something that I felt good about, that there was a high demand for, and business wanted to work with me. So now that we know this, let me share some very interesting statistics with you. All right, did you know that there's about 28 million businesses in the United States alone, okay? That's a lot of businesses, 28 million businesses just in the US, and there's actually 180 in the world, okay? So that's a lot of opportunity. And here's what's really cool is 500,000 businesses get added every single month. That means every single month there's tons and tons of new businesses opening. But the reason why that's happening is because within 2 years, about 90% of those businesses shut down, okay? And the number one problem that they're having is actually getting new customers to come and buy their product or service. And I'm talking about like dentists, chiropractors, car dealerships, real estate agents, mortgage brokers, you name it, anything local business, small business, niche related, they're having issues getting new customers. 95% of businesses don't know how to use online advertising to get new customers. So it leaves people like you and I thinking, wow, what an incredible opportunity, right? These people didn't go to school to learn how to do marketing. They went to school to fight for people in court, lawyers, right? They went to school to become chiropractors. They went to school to detail cars if there's a school for that, right? They have their specific traits. Like when you go take your real estate agent license, there's nothing in there about marketing. So that's why companies and businesses like them hire people like us to help get them more leads, which is going to get them more customers, which is going to keep them in business for years and years to come. That's why they pay us month in and month out. So here's another really cool thing that I'm going to show you. A lot of businesses don't think they need online marketing, but McDonald's, the Big M, the Golden Arches, last year spent $2 billion with a B in online advertising. Now, why are they doing that? They're the most popular, most well-renowned, world-renowned burger in the world. Why do they need to spend so much? Because they understand what it takes to be number one. And if you're going to be number one or be outside of scarcity and actually be in business beyond 2, 5, and 10 years, you have to be marketing yourself online. So McDonald's is a great example. So if you're going to have an agency and help businesses get clients, there's really 2 things you need to be able to effectively do for yourself, okay? The first thing that you need to do, you need to be able to get clients, okay? If you don't have people paying you for what you do, you don't have a business. If the business is not making money, you don't have a business, right? So you need clients 100%. Now, what are some ways that you can get clients? Okay, there's a lot of things like email marketing, cold calling, door knocking, instant messaging, people that don't know you. Okay, there's all these very barbaric ways of doing things online or in person that get you leads and get you clients. But what I like to do is actually book appointments. So I set up funnels and ads online and other systems and maybe even some email marketing campaigns that actually sends people to a valuable piece of content. They take that and they book an appointment with me. Okay, that's the best thing. I wake up every single day, log into my computer, and just call up people that want to give me money for what I do. That's a beautiful thing. So if you can achieve this, you have a scalable business. You have to never worry about clients. And obviously the second thing is the results. You have to be able to get your clients results or they're not going to want to pay you, because this is the direct reason why they give you their money. All right, so having systems and processes that produce leads for them automatically is going to be very, very beneficial. And after doing this for 5 years, we've actually done it for over 50 different types of niches, which is really, really exciting. So this is my favorite type of business to have. It's actually what I do mainly in my agency. And what's really cool about this to get started, all it really takes to start a business, you have to have first a market or an audience. So you got to have an audience, and then you have to have an offer. As long as you have an audience, a market or an audience and an offer, you come in here, you send your leads to that market, that audience, and that's how you get paid. So that's essentially what the circle looks like. If this is something you're interested in, I did create some free training. You can go check out my case studies. It's about 40 minutes long. Just need a good email, find the link associated with the video, check it out. Hey, no obligation whatsoever. Just wanted to put it out there, but I appreciate you guys coming to the training today. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel, because I'm coming out with trainings every single week, so I don't want you to miss any of the videos. So this is Douglas James. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.